Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make sushi without rice, only way. Start by choosing a sturdy vegetable wrap like cucumber or nori and thinly slice it. Prepare high-quality fillings such as avocado, smoked fish, or seasoned mushrooms. Use a light binding sauce of mayo and vinegar to hold everything together. Chill rolls briefly before slicing to maintain shape and serve with soy or a citrusy dipping sauce. Begin with a mix of textures. Creamy avocado, firm cucumber, and tender protein give a balanced roll. Cut fillings into uniform strips so each slice looks neat and slices cleanly. Marinate mushrooms or fish briefly to boost umami and add depth. Use a small spoonful of seasoned mayo inside the roll to add the richness you miss without rice. Chill the assembled roll for a few minutes to set before slicing. Hey friends, if this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like for more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that seal tightly and prevent spills when transporting sushi or ingredients. They keep portions fresh and make overnight marinating simpler, which saves time on busy days. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Lay out your nori or vegetable wrap and keep fillings centered for easy rolling. Wrap tightly using a sushi mat or plastic film, applying even pressure to compact everything without crushing delicate ingredients. Refrigerate briefly to firm the roll so slices hold shape and present well. Use a sharp knife moistened with water, wiping between cuts for flawless pieces. Plate attractively and serve immediately with preferred condiments and pickled ginger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.